The HF650M is a durable, weather-resistant, hard-folding tonneau cover, engineered for reliability and performance. It installs drill-free, and it's easy to remove when the load you're hauling requires full truck bed access. Check out the sleek 12mm low-profile true flush mount design with 4 durable, lightweight folding panels. These dent-resistant panels are fiberglass reinforced plastic polymer. The HF650M is designed with Leer's industry-exclusive sink latching system, which allows for easy opening of the cover from either side of the truck bed with one hand. The sink cables are recessed into the cover, preventing the possibility of someone using a wire to unlock the cover. Also, the sink latch and cable are adjustable. The panels can be secured upright at the cab area of the truck when full access to the truck bed is needed to haul large items. HF650M can be easily removed for even more available space. The cover is held in a steady, upright position with prop rods that prevent HF650M from touching the cab of the truck. The brackets are pop riveted into the frame, which provides added strength to the mounting points. The prop rod is attached to the cover, not the rails, making it easier to reach. It's easy to haul something that's tall and extends above the truck's bed. The third brake light is clearly visible when the quad fold cover is fully open and secured. HF650M offers a superior water management system that doesn't require drain tubes or drilling into the truck bed. The rail has a slight bevel where the first layer of rubber fits snugly into. This rail channels the water to the outside of the truck, and when closed, the exterior rubber seals the cover to the vehicle bed. These panels latch at multiple locations, and the cover can be latched with an open or closed tailgate. HF650M is great looking, enhances fuel economy, and has a 3-year limited warranty. Protect your gear with Leer.